fought gallantly and inflicted heavy casualties on the enemy. For every man lost by us, the enemy lost 4 to 5. Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to speak on one of the bravest Indian Army personalities, that is Major Shaitan Singh Bhatti. Major Shaitan Singh Bhatti, PVC, was an Indian Army officer of Kumaon Regiment and the 9th recipient of Paramveer Chakra, the highest wartime gallantry medal, posthumously for his leadership and courage during the Sino-Indian War of 1962. He was born on 1st December 1924 at Jodhpur in Rajasthan in a Rajput family, and his father's name was Lieutenant Colonel Hem Singh Bhatti. After completing his graduation, he joined the Jodhpur State Forces and then he was transferred to the Kumaon Regiment after princely state of Jodhpur was merged into India. Then he also took part in operations in the Naga Hills and also in the 1961 Indian annexation of the Goa state. Here I would like to share his actions in the war by saying that Major Shaitan Singh was commanding the 13th Battalion of Kumaon Regiment deployed at Rizangla in the Chuzul sector of Jammu and Kashmir at a height of around 17,000 feet. The locality was isolated from the main defended sector and consisted of 5 defended platoon positions. On 18th November 1962, on the date which the war actually happened, took place, the Chinese subjected the company position to heavy artillery, mortar and small arms fire and attacked in overwhelming strength in successive waves. And against these heavy odds, our troops beat back the enemy attacks. And during the action, Major Shaitan Singh dominated his operation and moved at great personal risk from one platoon post to another, sustaining the morale of his platoon posts. Also, while doing so, he was seriously wounded, but he continued to encourage and lead his men, who, following his brave example, fought gallantly and inflicted heavy casualties on the enemy. And very strange fact is that for every man lost by us, the enemy lost 4 to 5. So that's the basic strength of our army. And when Major Shaitan Singh Bhatti felt disabled by wounds in his arms and his abdomen, his men tried to evacuate him but came under the heavy machine gun fire by the Chinese forces. Then Major Singh ordered his men to leave to his fate and in order to save their lives, and he was martyred at the age of 37 years after giving 13 years of service in the Indian Army. Major Shaitan Singh's supreme courage, leadership and exemplary devotion to the duty just inspired his company to fight almost to the last man, and for this historic battle Major Shaitan Singh Bhatti was awarded the Paramveer Chakra posthumously. So at last I would like to say that the heroic resistance put up by this gallant soldier with his company against the assault of more than 1000 Chinese soldiers is not only a tribute to the regiment but also a matter of pride for soldiers all over the world. So that's it from me. Thank you.